Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. So my parents have come recently to Abu Dhabi for the third time and we are having a lot of fun. So hope you will like our vlog today. So guys, how you feeling?
So nice.
So today we have come to Al Batin beach again with our parents and photo shoot is going on.
Hi.
People are fishing here. But alas, we couldn't find any jet skiing happening today. Couldn't show our parents. They're feeling cold, so preparing to get some warmer garments on. We have already shot a video, we'll link it up, where jet skiing was happening. We love the ambience here. See how many people have come today. It's a Friday here. So this is the first Friday of 2022 where it is working for us. Half day for me, sadly full day for my husband. And yeah, we'll spend some time over here. And then guys, we're going for shopping, gadget shopping. So yes, as I was saying, we'll go for gadget shopping, which is one of my most exciting hobbies. Shopping, among that, gadgets are my most favorite. If you haven't watched our videos, we'll again link some gadget videos again here on our channel up. We are planning to buy two phones, like one phone for my dad and one phone for my mom, and one tab if we like it and find good deals. We'll try to show all we can capture in the next upcoming moments we visit Abu Dhabi Mall. Hopefully we'll go to Jumbo and we'll go to Sharaf DG and Samsung outlets, like Samsung stores and everywhere, and we'll try to find which phone suits for them the best, and we'll show you the journey.
Obviously, I have to take him out. لا انت كنت شغاله هناك، كنت مفكر هنا وهو اسمه شغل.
What fishing? Any fishing allowed now? Now we are heading towards the family beach. Oops.
দ্বীপের মতো
এখানে বাঘের ছাপ আছে রে।
দ্বীপের মতো দ্বীপে পরেও একবার খোদা হয়ে যায়। আমি ওরকম হয়ে
I have inbuilt stability.
গাড়ির চাকা গাড়ি গেছে ওইটা গাড়ি
ঠান্ডা জল। Deep is shivering in cold.
নাও দীপের সঙ্গে কথা বলে আমি একটু ইয়ে করে নেবো।
Dad is doing meditation.
আশীর্বাদ দিস করছি সকাল।
দাদু কি করছো?
We are talking to our grandparents right now. Mom cannot sit down, she's not well, so she's on beach chair and we are enjoying. So everybody has a hoodie except me and mom. So this is my protection here. Though it's less, but still it's a protection for my ears. And now people are saying we don't want to put down the mask because this is also acting as like a savior for the nose. You guys are having tea. One is with less sugar.
And one is normal sugar.
Okay.
Mine is less sugar. And yours
Mine is coffee.
with
For
plenty
a
of
change. Yeah, okay. Shawarma, Saj. For all. Cheers.
sugar. Cheers.
The Christmas decoration is still up. It's good that we could show our parents. Now we are going to Sharaf DG for the phones.
അല്ല ഞാൻ അടിച്ചില്ല അവിടെ വന്ന് ചോദിച്ച് ഡെമോ കൊടുത്തു പിന്നെ ആ ഇല്ല ഇവരുടെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു രണ്ട് ഫോൺ വേണമെന്നുണ്ട് രണ്ടെണ്ണം വേണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു.
So if you buy for 2000 dirham, you will qualify for all this DSF offers, Dubai Shopping Festivals. So right now they are unboxing and giving us the international warranty. I couldn't shoot in between because we were too busy like showing like selecting all the options, but once we reach home I'll show you what all phones we got and also a tab. So guys, we are back after shopping lots of gadgets. So I'll be doing a quick haul. I'll not be going into details, just quickly because we are all tired. It's right now 12 o'clock here at night. So let's start quickly. We bought 2 phones and 1 tab for our parents. And as you know, it's Jan, it's the Dubai Shopping Festival over here. So we got lots and lots of goodies along with these offers. I would say there's not much difference in price in online and the outlets wherever we are going for shopping the gadgets physically, but yeah, we are definitely getting goodies if you are going to physical stores. So let's start. First one is Oppo A94, the phone. So I didn't it's already opened. All the phones are open because we took the international warranty because our parents will be carrying it back to India. And yes, so let's start. Deep, you can also help me with the prices because I don't know.
Okay.
Oppo is famous for the beautification of their cameras. So whenever you try to shoot yourself, you are double beautiful. So yeah, it comes with everything, unlike the high-end phones we use. So it has a charger, cable, headphones, and I love this color. This is for my mom. Oopsie. Show the color. Amazing. So quickly to tell you, it is 8GB or 6GB RAM.
It's 8GB.
8GB RAM.
And it's expandable up to 5 more
48
GB.
megapixel camera. Oh my god, amazing. I think it's better than iPhone.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that this is what we got for mom, and 128GB,
Yes.
and it is expandable.
Yeah.
And this is this has
It's a dual SIM, plus you can add the memory
and
card.
memory card. Yes, so this is expandable memory. So this is an amazing phone, and definitely she needs a lot of storage. And yeah, so this is the good phone. Quickly moving on to the next. Oops. This is for my dad, Honor 50 Lite. So I came to know recently that Huawei and Honor have separated. Otherwise, like they were together. They have the exactly same models in Huawei and in Honor, but the Huawei doesn't have a Play Store, Google Play Store, and there's problems with all other apps because
It's not an Android phone basically.
Yeah,
so
and
they
it-
have their own in-house OS.
Yes,
So-
and all the apps have to be downloaded via APK.
Yeah.
So we chose the Honor, and we do have service centers in
In
our
India.
place here in India, where we stay. One more time, I loved this concept of the phone. Before today going for gadget shopping, I had this in my top 3 list. So this goes to Dad. This looks amazing. I don't know if you can see, it's like a chrome finish. You can see yourself. Can you see the phone?
Yes.
So yeah, and the camera, all 4 cameras, guys. What is iPhone doing, man? It has still 3 cameras. So yeah.
4 camera at the back and also 2 cameras in the front, I believe.
Oh my god, yes. 2 cameras. I think this is also 8 GB.
Yes.
Uh,
More or
just-
less the same specs.
Yeah.
Both are, I think, 4G supported.
Yes, we didn't go for the 5G because there was a different. I'll also let you know the prices. All were under 1,000 dirham.
Yes.
1,000 dirham is 20,000 rupees. So both the phones were approximately the same price, 980, 990, something like that. So it was all like 1,000 dirham, you can say.
Yeah.
And this is not expandable, but it has 128 GB.
128 GB storage.
And I think that's
8
enough
GB,
for that.
8 GB RAM.
8 GB RAM, that's enough for that.
And this having Snapdragon the
Processor and
yes.
everything. So that's fine. And actually, we got high-end phones with high-end specs and within budget.
Right.
Yeah, we thought we'll spend a lot, and we bought all these things from Sharaf DG. It's not sponsored. We gave our own money and we bought all these phones. So yeah, and all the guys are of great help to us today. So yeah. Next, we have one more, that is the tab. It's already unboxed because we had started to operate it already. So this is the Lenovo Tab M10 HD. It's something. Also, this is the case. Sorry.
So I have already unboxed and this is the cover.
Yeah, so this is the cover and the tab is also inside. This is they gave us the original cover also with it, without any extra charge. This was the offer for DSF, Dubai Shopping Festival 2022. So this is the tab. Can you tell me the specs? It's 4 GB and 164 GB storage. This is expandable, and we can. It's like SIM supported LTE.
It's with SIM, yeah.
Yeah, it's with SIM because our requirement was SIM because this is mainly for my mom who teaches online right now. So she'll need it a lot. Right now it's very difficult to operate from phone because it pains also. So there's a good stand over here, so she can place it and she can teach her students comfortably and also watch our YouTube videos here. I know they do it on their TV, but yeah. Okay, fine. So yeah, I got told just now by Deep that I was doing it wrong. So yeah, that's it. This is done, and I'll just quickly show you guys the freebies that we got. So with this, the price of this is 800
Yes, 770 dirhams or something. Yeah.
Okay, 7. So it is within 800 dirham, which is like 16,000 rupees, and very good deal we got. But we did not get any freebies. Too many freebies with this. Only this cover.
Only the cover, yes.
But I think this is good
And
enough.
also the protective cover in the front.
Protective cover means you're saying like
yes.
protector.
Protector.
The
Screen
tab
protector,
screen
yes.
protector. So fine. Okay. And I'll tell you. See, this is the freebies packet. So a lot of freebies are there. So we got one Bluetooth speaker.
Can you just rotate it?
Yeah. Deep. You're here.
Yes, it's my speaker.
Deep bass. Okay. We were supposed to get 2 speakers with like one each with every phone, but I chose to get a smart scale because I said I wanted a smart scale. Smart scale means you can operate it via your phone and Wi-Fi, and you get your all BMI and everything reflected
Body fat
here.
and also body
I need
water.
it. Yes, body mass index and everything displayed here. So we convinced them like we don't want one more speaker of no use.
Yeah.
We will give this speaker to our mom and dad because we don't need a speaker. We have, yeah, I do need this. We already have weighing scales, but we
This
need
one more.
Yeah, we need this one. We don't have this one. So one to
So
them.
both are same? Yeah.
Yeah,
would
and
be-
one for us. We need something, right? We are going for shopping. Yeah, this is for them only. This is also one of the freebies. This is a wireless earpods. Yeah. This is also like the
Yeah.
semi-wireless.
This is given by Honor. So it's like official.
Okay,
product.
this is their branded,
Yeah.
like a good
And
one.
it's quite costly.
Costly. I think this is $2.99 or $1.99.
Yes,
I'm not
yes.
sure. Yeah, so this is a good deal we got. Yeah, so that's it. And also we did some documentation for tax-free planet. So if you guys are traveling in the DSF to UAE, and I hope you all know, if you don't know, then please go to the center and ask them that you need the tax-free, because if you're buying all these gadgets or anything and returning back to India, in the airport you're gonna get 5%
Rebate. So
Yeah,
whatever
there is no-
taxes we are paying,
Yeah.
we're going to get it back.
yes, whatever taxes 5% you're paying, you will get, and
But-
there's no top cap, so whatever you're paying, you will get it back.
But this is only for tourists who are coming on
Only
visit
for
visa,
tourists, yeah, we will
not
not
for
take it.
residents like us.
Yeah, yes, yes.
So our parents will be taking it back, so they'll
Yeah.
get the 5% at the airport.
Yeah, so our total bill was approximately 2,800 or 900 dirham. So 5% will get 100 something dirham will get back. Something we are getting back, that's right? So yeah, that's it today, guys. So if you liked our today's video, please like and subscribe. 90% of you are still not subscribed to our channel. Please guys, subscribe and stay tuned. We'll be back with many more videos exploring around with our parents. So stay tuned. Bye.